my pockets snug. They can't hold my cell phone, they ban my Visa, my Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got new bags and they all collapse. I see